Hi everybody, this is Robert at Scott Leroy Marketing. Today we're going to show you how to replace the built-in blog in your KW website powered by Placester with the blog widget that automatically posts blog posts for you provided by Homekeepr. There are a good number of steps, so to follow along with me in this video, watch me perform the step, pause the video, you perform the step, and then start the video again and follow along that way. Our first step is going to be to get logged into our mykw.kw.com homepage. That's the way you access the Placester backend. From the MyKW homepage, up in the very top black menu, we'll hover over Technology, then click on KW Websites, the third option down. On this page, we're going to click on our big red Go to My Website button. That'll take us into the Placester dashboard. Inside Placester, on the left under Quick Actions, we're going to click on Edit Site. And we're going to switch over here to Pages. We're under Site Settings currently. We're going to go over to Pages. On Pages, we're going to find the existing blog page that's in our account already. So we'll click on either the title or on Edit over here on the right. Now by default, the template that it's going to be is the blog post index. We're going to change this template to just default page template. And now in here, we'll be able to add in some HTML code. We're going to click on this View HTML button here. It's got a left caret, a slant, and a right caret. We're going to leave the title the same because we want to still have this in the menu and we still want it to say blog. We just want to replace the content of this page with from the blog information that's already in Placester to be instead the blog from Homekeepr. So we'll click on this View HTML button and it's going to give us a box to paste some stuff in here. To get the information that gets pasted in here, we're going to make sure to log into our Homekeepr account. This was set up for you in your initial setup by SLM. You can find that about 2/3 of the way down your Keller Cloud Setup Complete email. You're going to log into pros.homekeepr.com. Once you're logged in, we're going to end up on the home page here on the dashboard, and it's a little bit tricky to find the blog widget, but it's not super hard. What we're going to do is go up here in the address bar, and this very last part here after the pound sign and the slash, we're going to replace the very end here with, instead of home, we're going to do widgets, W-I-D-G-E-T-S. So that's widgets plural, W-I-D as in dog, G as in go, E-T as in Tom, S as in Sam, widgets, and then we'll hit enter. So where we are here is the My Trusted Pros widget. You can add that to an additional page on your site if you feel like it, but right now we're going to switch over to My Blog widget. Now we don't want the JavaScript one, we actually want the iframe one. And it says specifically this can go onto your market leader or Placester site. So we're just going to click on our big red copy code button here. Now that's copied to my clipboard. Now I can switch back over to my Placester tab, right click and paste. And that's essentially all we're going to need to do for this. We'll just click on update and then scroll down to the bottom here and click on save. Now when I go view my live site and I click on blog, it's going to take me to the blog page in my site, but since I changed that template, it's no longer going to show the blogs from the blog section within Placester. It's now going to show the Homekeepr blogs here, and these can be scrolled within the page, and if they click on any of these, they're actually going to be taken over in a new tab to Homekeepr to read the rest of that blog post, and it's going to be branded with your information that you have in your Homekeepr account. Now one last thing about adding this blog here, this does not remove the blogs that may show on your home page depending on the theme that you've chosen. If I scroll down my home page here, it does still have this blog section. To remove these, you would need to come back into your Placester interface here, and away from the pages, we're going to switch over here to blog posts, and you would either need to remove these blog posts or go in and edit them and change them to save as draft. That would remove those from the home page. We would recommend just go ahead and saving as draft. That way, if you ever do want to put these back on the home page, you would just come back in and publish them. That's how you can add your Homekeepr blog page to your KW website powered by Placester, replacing the existing blog page. If you have additional questions, feel free to send us an email at support@scottleroymarketing.com.